Okay, hi kids. Welcome back from spring break. I hope you all had a relaxing and restful week off and are ready to finish your last 2 months here at Del Mar on a high note. So, I am disappointed that we're not all going to be together during this important time, but I'm optimistic that we'll be able to make the most out of this time together regardless. Not only that, but distance learning, fortunately, does not need to diminish our ability to learn science because, well, science is all about learning how the universe works. So whether you're in a classroom or you're in your bedroom or you're hiding out in your underground bunker with your vault full of beans and toilet paper, you're still part of the universe, and that universe is still all around you. Speaking of the universe, it can be a pretty chaotic place. It seems like we're constantly going through changes. Think about all the changes that have taken place in your lives just since the beginning of this year. There have been changes in how we interact and travel, how we conduct school and business. You guys are going through developmental changes like puberty, seasonal changes, changes in the phases of the moon, the position of the stars, fluctuations to my bank account and my self-esteem, not to mention my mental stability. Well, all right, you guys get the picture. Anyway, I digress. In science, we like to categorize changes into a couple of different types. We saw in the beginning of the year how energy can change. We saw it can be transferred from one object to another or converted from one type to another, like potential to kinetic energy or potential to thermal energy or vice versa. And then we started looking at how matter can change. And we looked at physical changes like taking a piece of paper and, say, ripping it into a new or different shape, or another physical change like melting water or freezing water to form ice. And then we started looking at chemical changes. So chemical changes are the result of chemical reactions in which we actually break the bonds that are holding atoms together within a substance and then reform them in new combinations to make entirely new materials, just like magic. So again, got a great little example here. We've got our handy dandy hand sanitizer here. And through the process of a simple chemical reaction, we can go ahead and turn that into CO2 and water. All right, don't try that at home, kids. So, this is how we're going to finish up with our investigation into chemistry, okay? You're going to examine the universe around you and identify a commonplace chemical reaction. Once you've selected your topic, I want you to research your reaction in depth and then create a video presentation about this reaction. If you'd like, and you're able to secure both your parents' permission as well as the materials that you need, you can actually perform this reaction as part of your video, okay? But performing a reaction, it's a great opportunity to practice a little practical chemistry, but it's not required and it's not going to impact your grade. So what I want you guys to do today, please, is use the class as an opportunity to review our Everyday Chemical Reactions project. It's been posted up on Google Classroom, and you should find 3 attachments, the assignment sheet, the rubric, and then some topic ideas as well. Okay, so go through, look over the assignment sheet, record any important dates in your Del Mar planners. Once you've fully reviewed and fully understand those 3 attachments, then go ahead and start looking around your house or on the web for some topic ideas. You'll submit to me your top 3 choices by Friday for approval. Okay, a few last words. As you think about what topic you want to choose for this project, number 1, choose a topic that interests you. We're talking about the whole universe here. You should pick something that's relevant to you, something that you want to spend a little more time getting to know about. Okay. Number 2, okay, choose a topic that's common enough that it's going to interest a wider audience, okay, and teach your peers about a little bit about the world that they live in, okay? Don't choose something that's really obscure or abstract or so unusual that no one's going to know what you're talking about, okay? And then number 3, like I said, if you want to perform an actual chemistry demonstration as part of your video, check with your parents first and think about what supplies, if any, you need to order now so that they arrive in time for you to complete your project. All right, good luck, Dragons. I can't wait to hear what ideas you've come up with on Friday. All right, take care. Mr. O'Brien signing off.